Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom villa with a private roof terrace and large parking. At the front of the villa, you will find a large garden area with parking leading to the front of the house. Here you will find a covered porch and the main entrance to the villa. At the side, there's a large garden area big enough for a private pool and access to the garage. Entering the main villa, you will find a large open living room with a built-in fireplace and access to the 2 bedrooms and bathroom in the middle. At the rear, you will find access to the kitchen area that leads to the back garden. From the back garden, you will find stairs leading to the roof terrace. This space offers incredible views of the countryside and is perfect for solar panels or a seating area. The property is located just 5 minutes from Fortuna and only 10 minutes to Murcia shopping centres. For more information on this property, please contact Villas 4 Spain today.